What's up, guys? It's SK2467 here, and I'm back. Well, I took a little bit of a break. I spent time with my family, and I went swimming. I had fun with my cousins. I've been looking for doing other things. I just kind of had a little bit of a break. And so today I'm going to be taking it a little easy and just playing a merger game instead of how should I say this? I'm gonna be trying to play more competitively, air quotes, competitively, because I feel like I just don't have have good content with just casual games. Though, I just think that it's because I'm talking to myself. I'm not used to talking to myself, practically. I'm more of the silent type when it comes to being by myself and being in a crowd. So, I would like to get together with other people and probably I'm gonna try to get with my brother, and I'm going to try to do a try not to laugh. I don't know when that's going to be and when I'm going to upload that, but I chose a merger because it's a lot easier to concentrate when I'm talking and not about the game. And I will be doing clan. Sweet. More coins. I haven't even upgraded anything, really. And I just would like to make better content, get more used to being on camera. I'm a little camera shy, and I really don't talk. I do kind of talk to myself in my head, but that's just thinking to yourself. It's not talking to yourself. Air quotes again. And I just feel like I could do better. Bow. Double forage. And I want to be able to express myself more, but really it's not really happening when I'm pretty silent. And I just get way too focused into the game that I forget to talk. It happens a lot to me, and I just need to get... What does this button do? I don't understand. But yeah, I just really need to get better at talking. I'm gonna be doing some new Terraria. I'm going to try to do that with my brother. My brother has a channel. It's called Dragon Slayer. Blah 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 blah. I think it's 1234. I don't know. I don't think he's been uploading recently. So there is that. Upgrade. Upgrading your slots allows you to add extra ruins and make your items even more effective. Each time you upgrade, you gain space for one additional ruin. Ruin effects. Upgrade, forge higher, chance to spawn one level higher, chance to spawn an extra item when forging. Item spawn set at level 4. Epic. Oh, that's standard upgrades. Okay. Weaponsmith per second. Chat. Those are upgrades. Library. Okay. And I've been working on Pixel Gun 3D. Just dying here. No problem. I've been working on Pixel Gun 3D. I made my own skin. So I've got that going for me. So I'll be doing Pixel Gun as well. You'll see that another time. You'll see that later. Upgrade each merge has of giving gem. That's good. Sweet! What is it, bud? My cat. Not my cat. My sister's cat. I just take care of him. He loves his attention. He'll literally sit on you, on your chest, and just put his face in your face, and even lay practically in your face. It's adorable, but it's annoying. He only wants attention when everyone doesn't want to give him attention. And when I tell him that he can come on top of me, he chooses to go on top of the chair that I'm sitting on. So he's a little brat, and he just loves to meow all the time. But that's cats for you. A little meow and meow and meow. Come on, bud. Right now he's across the room. Just staring at me, wondering why I'm talking to myself. Just because. Got upgrades. New antics. Okay. Now it takes even less to spawn more items. This is a nice, easy-paced game. I like playing mergers and idle games. Just casual. I'm more of a casual gamer. I'm not the competitive player where I have to be the best of the best. I play games because I think they're very fun. And I want to be that, express how fun it is to play the game. But I just get so into it that I forget to express it. And I just lose my train of thought so quickly, and it's just, I have no words to describe anything because I just can't think. Double forge, yeah, why not? I would like to play more games with friends, but they're all busy. Everyone else has been busy, and they're like, no, I don't have time to do anything, and I'm like, come on, I just want to do a video with you guys. They're like, no, stop. I don't want to. I don't have the time for it. I don't have the time to hang out with you, bruh. And it's kind of annoying. And I would like to do Pokemon shiny hunting, but I don't have the little capture card thing I've been hearing about, and that they use for the DS to put the screen, to record the screen on blah 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 blah. I don't know how it works, but though I could rig something to where my phone records the DS screen, but I just don't really feel that up to it. I still gotta find a job, I gotta do this and this and this, and I just don't really have the time for much stuff. Though I will be trying to get back into recording these games. I just don't know. Life's hard, man. Men and women. I don't want to get into fights with other people because of gender. I don't care if you're gay, bi, straight. I don't even care if you're transgender. But I don't get what the new thing is about the frickin' sexuality crap. To me, I think that it's stupid how the world is right now about sexuality, but I just think that I'm a straight man. I don't care about frickin' anything. I don't care about anything, really. I don't care about what people think of me. I don't care what people say. What people... What... I don't care about other people's opinions. That's what I'm trying to say. Sometimes I just don't have the word for things, and I just have a blank mind. Upgrade, forage, higher level. And what even does this do? What does this do? What is that? New items are... Sure. Boosted. Sweet. Now I get everything done quicker. Nice. No, it's pretty nice. Each soul gem provides a 1% plus 1% bonus to your income. To earn each soul. Okay. That's requires 25. I have to get to 25 to stop the to redo, I should say. Well, I'm gonna actually end this here. I hope this has been fun for you guys and entertaining. But this is gonna be all. Bye-bye. See ya.